Tēnā tātou, ko Maia tōku ingoa, my name's Maia, and I'll be sharing some videos to fill you in on the upcoming local elections. This year is the first time Māori wards have been included in council structure. So this means there'll be Māori ward candidates as well as the usual general ward candidates. So it's changed the game a bit. Let me break it down into 5 parts for you. The local elections and what this means for our hapori, electoral rolls and enrolling to vote, how to stand as a candidate in the elections, the voting process, and how you can stay connected with council once the elections are over. Local council elections are held every 3 years. You vote for who you want to represent you as mayor, councillors and community board members. Our next local election is on Saturday the 8th of October. So I'll leave you with that info for now, and next time I'll have a kōrero about the electoral rolls and enrolling to vote. Ka kite anō.